above 250, like 350 to 250 million. So just look at this diagrammatic part. First situation is 350 to what? 250 million years ago. In middle we have taken what? 300 million years ago. Stage 1. And diagrammatically I am presenting this. So all the land masses were what? Together. All the land masses were what called? Together. This land mass we called by which name? What called? And this is surrounded by a single large what? Water body called what? Panthelas. So now diagrammatically I am just presenting all. First stage 1 is cleared. So this phase called as what? Permian phase. Permian. It started with the late Carboniferous. Late what? Please, this is the name. One topic in internet में देख लेना, geological time scale. Which time scale? One important topics are there recently in the news. Geological what? Time scale. One of the 2-3 topics are in the news which I will discuss later on. If before that you go through this topic, geological what? Time scale or geological history of the earth. Geological time. Now, so this phase from 300 to 250 million years ago started with what? Late Carboniferous period until what? Permian phase. Okay, late Carboniferous. So when was Pangea started? It would be anything between late Carboniferous till what? Permian phase. Geological time scale. Is it clear? Now stage 2. Please keep on drawing. The sketches are important. Once you have a theory, then diagram according to the theories. Stage 1. Now stage 2 started in the which called as Triassic phase. Which phase called? Triassic, around 200 million years ago. 225 to 200 million years ago. Called which phase? 225 to what? 200 million years ago. Second situation called which phase called? Triassic phase. So Triassic, from Permian after we become Mesozoic. We come to this part. It's a part of Mesozoic. So what happened under this second stage? Look at this. So Pangea what? Broke down. So Pangea broke down into what called 2 big parts. Northern part and what? Southern. Southern part is bigger. So this is called what? Laurasia, and this is called what? Gondwana land. And between them there is a water body emerged, that is called what? Which sea? Tethys Sea. Write on this. In between the second stage, in examination, whenever such questions come, please, wherever sketch, diagram, maps, possibilities are there, create and draw it. Writing kam karo chalega, but diagram should be there. Okay, at least small size, not very big, small size sketches. So now this is still what? This water body is called what? Panthelasha. This happens around which period? 225 to what? Called Triassic phase of the earth. Triassic phase of the earth. That the sea got created. Now later on means Jurassic period. Which period? 145. First phase and second phase. Permian, late Carboniferous to Permian, then is Triassic.